Assalamu alaikum, dear audience. Jahangir sir with you today. We have Mr. Tausif Ahmed Oyon, and we gonna make a conversation with him. Hey, Mr. Shawan, how are you? I'm wrong. This is Mr. Shawan, and this is Tausif Ahmed Oyon. Hey, Oyon, how are you?
I'm fine, and you?
I'm fine as well, by the grace of Almighty Allah. So, are you ready to make a conversation?
Yes.
So I gonna ask you some Bangla sentences. You have to make or you have to translate it into English. Okay? আমি যেতে চাই,
I want to go.
আমি খেতে চাই,
I want to eat.
আমি বলতে চাই,
I want to say.
আমি পড়তে চাই,
I want to read.
আমি হাঁটতে চাই,
I want to walk.
আমি দৌড়াতে চাই,
I want to run.
আমি সাঁতার কাটতে চাই।
I want to swim.
Do you like to swim?
Yes.
Do you like to go field?
Yes.
How many friends do you have?
There are many friends.
There are many friends. What class do you study in?
We study in class 6.
Do you like Jahangir English Academy?
Yes.
How much do you love?
Many. I don't
Many.
know.
Very much. Okay, Mr. Shauban, thanks. Thanks for come here and make a conversation. We have make another conversation later. Thank you so much.